Seattle's most unusual holiday tree isn't made of branches and ornaments. It's made of Cold War steel and Chrysler horsepower. Each December, thousands of LEDs wrap this old air raid tower in Phinney Ridge, turning a relic of warning into a beacon of winter light for siren fans and neighbors alike.
Duck and cover!
Since the 1950s, this Chrysler Air Raid Siren has towered over Phinney Ridge, once ready to roar a nuclear warning across Seattle. Built on a Dodge truck chassis and powered by a Hemi V8, it was designed to be heard for 25 miles, one of the loudest sirens ever made, and now a rare survivor.
During the holidays, that Cold War relic turns into the GloCone. It has over 3,200 programmable LEDs wrapped around the old tower, transforming it into a glowing holiday beacon.
From local neighbors to siren fans across the country, this is our yearly reminder that something built to sound the alarm can now light up the season of peace instead.
Happy holidays from Phinney Ridge, and from the shadow of this Cold War relic, peace on earth and goodwill to humankind.